Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect Long Island iced tea like a pro. The Long Island iced tea is beautifully concocted with 5 spirits, sweet and sour mix, and Coke. The secret behind this cocktail is definitely the sweet and sour mix. And today I will reveal the secret recipe of one of the best bars of the world. So let's go and jump in. Pour 60 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Pour 70 milliliters of water. Please feel free to contact me for any queries or suggestions. I will be happy to hear from you. Pour 30 milliliters of orange juice. And 40 milliliters of simple syrup. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now mix all the ingredients, and your sweet and sour mix is ready for use. So let's get into the mixology. Take a tall glass of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. Pack up the glass with lots of fresh ice cubes. Fresh ice cubes are very important for summer drinks, as it melts slowly, and keep the cocktail fresh for a long time. Pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of white rum. Half an ounce or 15 milliliters of London dry gin. Half an ounce or 15 milliliters of vodka. Half an ounce or 15 milliliters of tequila. And half an ounce or 15 milliliters of cointreau. If you don't have a cointreau, use triple sec. Pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now shake all the ingredients without ice, and pour the mixture straight into the glass. If your glass is packed up with ice, then avoid shaking the cocktail with ice cubes, otherwise the cocktail will be diluted, and lose the taste. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now top up with a chilled Coke. This is one of the best refreshing cocktails in the world. I will be happy if you make this refreshing summer cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now garnish it with a fresh lemon wheel and mint sprig. And the refreshing Long Island iced tea cocktail is ready for you. Cheers! Have a great weekend! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.